In this video, I'll be showing you how to use multiple accounts in Roblox on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might have multiple accounts on Roblox that you use on your PC or anything like that, and you want to use those same accounts on your phone, but just easily switch from one account to your second account or third account or however many you have. So this is what you want to have to do. First thing you want to do is find and open up Roblox on your phone. And if you can't find it, all you gotta do is swipe down on the very bottom and then just search up Roblox. It's gonna come up with the very first thing. Then just press Roblox right there and open up the application. Once you do, you're gonna be on your homepage where you can see today's picks, any games that you can download and recommended for you and all of that stuff. But what you want to do is go over to the bottom right where it says more. It's the three little dots. So once you press that, you're going to see a lot more options again. You want to scroll down until you find switch accounts. It's right under all of the options. So once you press switch accounts, it's going to show your current account. Then you just go press add account and you can either log into an existing account if you already have another one, or if you don't and you want to make a fresh account, you can press create a new account as well. So obviously just go through the whole process of making a new account if you need to. And then whenever you log in and you want to change back to another account, all you got to do is again just go to more. And then once you're on more, scroll down again until you press switch accounts. And then you're going to see however many accounts you have. And you can just keep logging into all the different accounts you have. There is no limit to how many accounts you can switch between. And it's as easy as that. So once you're logged in once, you're not going to have to log in again. And you can just simultaneously just switch accounts.